All right, anyone looking for a Effie? Here's a 4x4 Effie, number one. Popped into my shed to say hello. It's up for sale. This is absolutely rust free. Air conditioning, power steering. Drink holders. Have a look. XLT. Four-wheel drive. Tow bar. Nice twin pipes coming out the back. Sounds good. I'll start up for you in a minute. It's pretty big. I'll turn the camera around. So it's up pretty high. It's got a nice sun visor. Got one of them in my shed. I'll open the bonnet in a sec. Let's have a look. Anyway, anyone interested? I'll open the bonnet, give you a look underneath actually here. Leave it running. Try a light. It's got a new alternator. Electric air conditioning. Compressor for the tyre. Again 351. Dual batteries. Here's the firewall. It is really nice. We'll start it up again. Sounds nice. Anyway, anyone interested? It's for sale. 2 Effie 4-wheel drives for sale. When it rains, it pours.